Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. They're going to show you the GB1000 S2 battery pack from GNET installed on the GMC Terrain 2015. We've installed this battery here basically to run the Geon dash cams that we installed in the vehicle, and that way when the car is turned off, the camera will run from the battery, and instead of from the vehicle battery, it will run from the G-Pack, basically to make sure nothing drains in the car. Now we have the app for the battery here. So the app right now tells us the voltage input is 12.3, but the current is 0, which means the battery is connected to the vehicle, but it's not pulling anything, it's not charging. Now we're gonna turn the vehicle on, start the vehicle, and it says charging required, as you can see here. Okay, we also get the voltage of the battery, the temperature of the battery. See, as we can see here, the voltage went up to 14.3 as the vehicle has been started. So we're going to see in a few seconds that the system is changing to mode. You see, we can see a charging mode, give us an estimated charging time, and the current that it's pulling is 5.8, and the current that the camera is pulling is 130 milliamp. Now, what I like about the battery in here, first of all, we can go to the battery cells and we can see if we have any defective cells, if all the cells are okay, so we can see all the cells in here. Now in this battery, what you can do, you can actually change the battery to be working only. So right now we have it as accessory, but we can change it to work only on battery. So if we set it up only on battery, then we can set up the cutoff, so the battery can stop charging at a certain time. Disadvantage is for vehicles that it's very hard to find accessory on them. So that way you set up the battery to know that it doesn't have accessory to turn off, but it knows that it's only at 12 volt and lower, it will cut off the battery, so it will not charge. So every vehicle, when you turn off, is usually around 12.6, 12.5. If you leave it at 12, turn the ignition off, the battery will immediately stop pulling power and charging. So this is very good for European vehicles and vehicles that it's hard to find accessory. But in this case we have an easy accessory, so we have connected the accessory. That way it goes faster to discharge mode, and it's also better for the camera to get faster to the parking mode. So we're going to have it here. Let's change the settings. As you can see, the battery is charging. We have 1 hour, and that's it. Turn the ignition off. We're going to have the ignition off. As we can see, the voltage of the car has been turned off, so we're going to see the voltage going down to 11.7. It still shows like it's pulling power, so in a few seconds we're going to see, as you can see, the current is 0, so the battery is no longer pulling power, but the camera is still pulling power from the battery. For more electronics and for dash cams, you can always find us at Car System Installation. For the G-Pack battery, we have it on our website. We're going to have a link in this video. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.